If you're driving for Uber Eats in 2025, it's important to know exactly how the pay system works so you can track your income and make smarter decisions on the road. Uber Eats pays drivers per delivery, and each trip includes a base fare, any promotions like Boost or Quest, and customer tips. The base fare is calculated based on distance, time, and local demand. Some cities pay more per mile or minute, while others are flat rate markets, so rates can vary depending on where you drive. Promotions are a big part of your earnings. So pays more for deliveries in busy zones, and Crash gives you bonuses for completing a certain number of trips. Uber also occasionally rolls out surge pricing during peak hours when demand spikes, especially during lunch, dinner, or bad weather. Tips go directly to you and can make a big difference in your total payout. Customers can add tips before or after delivery, and you'll see them show up in your trip history once the order is complete. Uber doesn't take a cut from tips. You'll get paid weekly by direct deposit, and if you want more money sooner, you can use instant pay to cash on your earnings up to 5 times a day. All your delivery activity tips and bonuses are available in the earnings tab in the app, and you can check everything by day, week, or trip. If this helped you understand how Uber Eats pays drivers, give the video a like, subscribe for more delivery tips, and drop a comment if you have noticed pay changes in your city this year.